So here you are seeing the RPI in VNC Weaver, and bottom part you are seeing the terminal which I directly SSH into the RPI, and we are using Firebase Cloud Firestore as our backend. So you can see in the here. So then let's go to the code which we are going to execute. So in this code, you can see there is a infinite while loop which we use to detect the users, and we are using the same image that you saw in the previous slide. So uh, you can see every 10 seconds we are detecting a user. So we are using Python trading module. Using that Python trading module, as you can see, uh, we can execute the API to change the advertisement in a separate thread without interfering to the main thread. Therefore, we can use this way, we can use the Python trading module for that. Okay. So then let's run the code. Meanwhile, the code is running. You can see this is the image which we are used to test. So there was two people in this image. So we are showing generic advertisements. Then you can see in the corresponding RPI, in the backend, all the details going to be updated in real time. And you can see anyway we know age and the gender of those users. So we can use those details store as a count. Then we can use it to generate analytic reports like how many users came to the shop, which is this particular time with the particular age group. We can generate an analytic report. So this is the application, mobile application we developed. So first you have to uh, use the phone authentication. As you can see, we have properly validated. If you enter wrong phone number, you cannot go, right? So if you want to enter a new real actual number, so I have added my testing OTP as 6-digit OTP. You will receive OTP when you're actually running. So then it would go to the sign in, Google sign in, two-factor authentication. Then you can select one of your favorite Google account and you can sign in. So once you sign in, you can see if you allow the location you enable, half of the form will be automatically filled. So you can enter the other details as you wish. Then after you editing those, completing this, you can hit next button like this, and you can proceed to the signing page. So if we close completely the app and we restart the application, you don't want to again and again re-enter those things. Right? We use Cloud Firestore to that, and we are using shared preferences, and you can directly, next time you will into the home screen. So this is our home screen, and I will continue with the user target signage part here. Okay, so here you have to first select the device. Then let's say if you want to see the preview of the this category, male category in the age 25 to 32, your existing preview, you can see, uh, use the preview button. If you want to edit the slides, you can use, let's say I want to edit the generic advertisements. I want to select this and add assets, and then you can select a Google account, and you would be directed to the Google slide, so you can edit the slide. So let's say I'm going to edit the first slide. So then I can add some kind of random shape. So I'm going to add some random shape, and I'm going to save it. Then you could remember that there was a button like in the green button which says its user targeting is on. So I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that button. Watch what happens. If I hit that button, user targeting will be off, and you can see the screen. It's no longer the ads are available. So if I the watch the Firebase is also responding for that, and then once I turn it on, you can see the real time updates would be available here. So even, yeah, here, then let's go to the user dashboard. The dashboard would show you the assets you have added, and you can preview them as well. And as I said, we can create an analytic report, but we haven't finished it yet. Using those data, you can use that. And here you saw the uh, profile. You can edit it, and definitely you can log out as well.